Hey, it's me, KC. Welcome to Keep Cooking KC. I hope you find this video pretty helpful. Yeah, that's really embarrassing. That's how I live my life. Finger guns. Doo-doo, doo-doo. Yeah, put them back in my holster now. Thanks. Alright, hey guys, it's KC on Keep Cooking KC. Today we will be doing slow roasted ribs. I know usually my stuff is quick and easy. This is still easy. It's just you probably should be home for the whole day for this. So, let's roll. So you probably saw that in a bowl I was putting rub. I was making rub, I should say. Actually, I ended up adding probably, I wouldn't say double the ingredients, but pretty close to it. I ended up adding more seasoning, like a lot more seasoning, because it didn't feel dry enough really. So with rub, you definitely want it to be dry. And like brown sugar holds its moisture, so its tendency is to add, I have to say it, it's going to be moist, and you don't want it to be moist. And I'm sorry for everyone who's subscribed to my channel and doesn't like the word moist, because I'm cracking up on the inside right now. So, alright, I'm going to be an adult. So you want to take your dry, you want it to be dry, right? Salt usually helps with that, so go a little bit heavy-handed on the salt, and then rub down your meat. Ah, being an adult is so hard. Okay, rub down your ribs, people. Okay, so you will notice that I took those aluminum pans. They're like $1 at the dollar store or whatever. You get like 5 of them or something. But I poked holes in one, and then the other one I left solid. So what I was doing there is I let the juices from the ribs drop down, and then also I put liquid smoke in there so the flavors kind of rise up as it's heated. You don't have to, though I recommend it. And again, it's only like it's like $1 or something. Don't quote me, but it's super cheap at the dollar store or the not everybody has Giant Eagle, but at the grocery store. So you can totally do that. And then so we cover it up to keep all those flavors in there and locked in. And whenever it's heating, it can, you know, fuse. That's the word I was looking for. Fuse in there. So, all right, guys. Cool. So, I actually don't know for sure how long I put my ribs in, but I know it was about 7 hours, give or take half an hour or so. The longer you leave them in, like you can do it for like 4 hours, they'll totally be cool, but just remember the longer that you leave them in, obviously the more fall off the bone they will be. Fall off the bony. I don't really know how you're supposed to say that, but yeah, you know what I mean. So I also like to throw barbecue sauce on them, and if you're going to do barbecue sauce, I highly suggest you either broil them or you throw them on the grill like I did. If you like just rub, which is totally good too, but I really enjoy my barbecue sauce that I make, which is super quick, super easy. Actually easier than going out to buy barbecue sauce. I've had it done way faster than my husband ever had to go get it and bring it back. So, but anyway, so if you like barbecue sauce on your ribs, throw some barbecue sauce on your ribs. Either throw them on, you want to preheat your grill, so you want to get that up to like 400 degrees, or if you're going to broil them, throw them in the broiler. Either way, you want to get a nice, like a nice black sear on them, and you know, caramelize your barbecue sauce. That way it has a great taste to it. So. If you want me to tell you exactly how good those ribs were, I could show you my napkins. Yes, I had a lot of napkins and maybe a wet cloth. I'm embarrassing. That's why I don't like to eat ribs out, because I'm embarrassing. And there's been times where I'm like, dude, what? And my husband's like, you have barbecue sauce like up by your ear. How did you get that there? And I don't know. I don't know. It's just who I am, and that's why I'd rather eat them at home. So, with that being said, you guys, if you want to ever subscribe to my channel, I'm sorry, sometimes I get a little crazy. Anyway, if you guys want to subscribe to my channel, I will put the little head right here, and you just click that head. It'll subscribe you, and you will get to see all sorts of sweet videos like this where I'm a little bit wacky, and that's totally okay, but my food tastes good, so that's all that counts. So, alright guys, thanks for tuning in to Keep Cooking KC. We will see you next time. Bye guys.